Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to convert your Google Play balance into a redeem code using the simple and the safe methods in 2026. Now, first of all, you need to understand that Google doesn't allow you to directly turn your Play Store balance into a redeem code, but there are a few working methods that let you convert your balance into a gift card or something that you can send to someone else. So in our first method, you just have to open your Google Play Store. Over here, tap on this search bar here on the top. Now you need to search for that particular applications that allows you to buy the Google Play gift cards using the Play balance. So some of the applications that supports it can be Google Play Billing, which means that you can pay using your pay balance instead of the card. You just have to choose a gift card amount and tap on the option of buy, and your play balance will be used automatically. After purchase, the application is going to show you that you have successfully redeemed your Google Play balance. If this method doesn't work for you, you can come here in the games section. Here in the games or in the applications section, you just have to tap on that particular application which is basically paid. Now once you tap on the application, it is automatically going to show you that you can purchase it with the help of your Google Play points. So you just have to select that option, and this way you will be able to purchase that application with the help of your Google Play balance. Now in the second method, you can buy a gift card inside Play Store. For that, simply tap on your profile icon on the top right hand corner of the screen. Over here, tap on the option of payments and subscriptions. In the payments and subscriptions, you will have the option of redeem code. When you tap on it, it is going to show you the option of entering the code here. Now some regions allow you to buy a Play Store gift card directly using the Play balance. Once the transaction is done, Google is going to send you a redeem code instantly. Now if your region doesn't support gift card purchases, you can still convert your balance. You just have to use your Play balance to buy the digital items like game, credits, vouchers, or any kind of subscriptions that allow giftings. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.